afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2012 government pass question. Question number 45 says the structure of the African Union includes that the structure, that is organs of AU are dash A, the Court of Justice, Pan-African Congress and People's Assembly; B, Pan-African Congress, the Court of Justice and Peace and Security Council. Option C is a specialized technique commission, the Court of Justice and Humanitarian Board and Peace and Security Council. This said the Court of Justice, Humanitarian Board and People's Assembly. The AU organs include Specialized Technical Commission, the Court of Justice, Humanitarian Board and Peace and Security Council. So option C is our correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.